2 Jeep Wrangler. Got a inline 6 4.0 liter. I just had to replace the clutch cable on it. It's a 5-speed stick shift. It's a pretty little thing. Yeah. Put the little pod lights down there. Had them up there. You could see where it was sitting before. I put them down there now. Wires aren't showing. And also got a Magna-flow glasspack. It's a pretty little muffler. Sounds good. Well, got a little whip on it. I'm gonna get a CB antenna soon. All right, let's see what it sounds like. Drive it, see what it sounds like when you're driving it. Roll the windows down. Drive around the neighborhood. Deep sound to it. Sounds really good with that Magna-pack. Spent well, at the muffler shop, I spent $157 on the whole thing. It's worth the money too. That's the video right here. This concludes our little muffler show. So I hope you folks enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it. Some input. Like I said, this is a 02 Jeep Wrangler 4.0 inline 6 Magna-flow glass pack. If you want to call it short, it'd be a Magna-pack. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you want to do it too, go ahead and do it. It don't cost that much. I got a receipt right here. $157. See if I can get the damn get it focused on there. $157. That's for the muffler and everything. That's just the muffler itself. That's not for the whole exhaust pipe or anything. Alright guys, hope you have a good one.